welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this pretty wig sent from UNiceHair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So of course I'm just showing you guys inside the wig cap. I think it's very important that I show the wig cap construction so that you guys can see exactly what it is that you're getting inside. But as for the specs of this wig unit, this is a pre-everything wig. This is called their curly finger coil wig unit. I have her in 24 inches, and this is also a 13x4 lace frontal. And according to the website, this is 150% density. So when it comes to pre-everything, it's literally pre-cut, pre-parted, pre-bleached, pre-styled, everything. Like, it's pretty much done for you. All you really have to do is take this thing out of the box and like freshen it up, to be completely honest. And then I do want to talk to you guys about the density before I forget. This wig is very full. I'm surprised that the website says 150% density, you guys, because I can actually feel the weight on my wig unit. So very full, luscious, very voluminous, and I absolutely love it. You guys know I love big hair. So this also does come with the adhesive tape, so it's pretty much very easy for you guys to put this wig unit on. It will be 100% glueless. I do recommend that you guys peel the stickies off of your head so that you don't like have to be in too much of a hassle with it, because I feel like I do tussle with it a little bit. So I have to take the tapes off with the wig off of my head first, like peel it up halfway, because it can be a bit of a tussle. So yeah, something that I learned while doing these hair videos. But I'm just going to be doing my baby hairs and things of that such. This does come pre-bleached, you guys, so I did go in and tint my lace as I always do. I feel like they're getting better with their tapes, because I remember when this like first came out, the tapes were a little bit like too shiny. But I feel like they're always like upgrading their wig units and stuff like that, so I can appreciate that. I just love how like beginner friendly these wig units are, and I love the style. Like, let's get into these styles. So this is a new style for UNiceHair. I know that this is like a thing that people do with their curly wig units with the finger coils at the end. However, it's not something that I necessarily do. You guys know that I usually come on camera with my hair curl defined using no product, and that's how I get my hair to be fluffy and luscious. And if you guys want to see the brush that I use to curl define, it is linked down in my Amazon storefront as well. And I feel like I show you guys a lot in my hair videos, so yeah. But I actually do like the finger coils. It's just not something that I naturally do, because it's just like not something I do. Honestly, I don't really have much to say about that, but I do think it is like a really cute style to have little finger curls at the end. It just gives your hair a little bit more, I guess, style and like definition and texture and stuff like that. So yeah, now I'm just taking this wide tooth comb to make the hair bigger. This hair is dry at the moment, you guys, and also I didn't even go in and wet this hair just yet, because I just loved how the hair looked straight out of the box. Like, I feel like they did a really good job with this wig unit. As for the style with the finger coils, as you guys could see straight out of the box, it doesn't come finger coiled all the way around the wig unit. So especially in the back, there's no finger coil, so you would definitely have to like freshen up this wig unit. And if you want finger coils in the back, you would definitely have to make sure you place some finger coils back there because there's like literally none. And then also, like, for me, I don't think that I would enjoy the look if finger coils was at like every piece of strand of the hair. You get what I mean? Like, I like it sparingly, you know. Like, I don't really know if I would want Shirley Temples at the end of my hair. Like, I'm not really here for that. So what I did was just freshen up the hair by putting some finger coils sparingly throughout the hair, you guys. All I did. And then of course I redid some that was already pre-done for me. And yeah, so they're gonna come out a little different than the hair company of course, simply because like we don't know what it is that they use to, you know, get these curls. So I feel like it's going to come out different depending on like your finger size and also how much hair you pick up as well. So I don't know, I love it. I really do. I think this is like the cutest little wig. It looks really good on me. I love very voluminous big curly hair when I'm like, when my face is fuller. So let me know what you guys think of how it looks on me. I would love to know, but I really do think that they did a really good job with this wig. It's like really cute, really cute. So also I'll be showing you guys a side view or like a side part of this wig unit. Also, it does come with parting space, you guys, so you are able to wear your hair, part your hair, because it does come with decent parting space. And look at that lace, like it's really good. This is a really good wig, like 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, you guys. So let me know down below what you guys think, and if you guys are going to be purchasing this wig unit, let me know. It's one of Unice's new wigs. I would love to know. And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream